Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily delete your account in Faceit. So let's start. So there is no way you can find like button here or something in Faceit. What you need to do is this, right? Faceit, support, then open the Faceit support here, and right here you just want to click like, let's go to GDPR deletion, not here. You just want to click on like recover your account. It doesn't matter. You just need to get to the submit request. It's a hidden. You want like no longer have access to my email account. So recover account. And then if you still require help, click below to contact us directly by email. And here we got it. So first I'm going to add my email. Then I will find here GDPR. And now personal data removal. Faceit profile, just add it. Game, if you have it, whatever. Game ID, if you have it. Subject, delete or deletion. Deletion. And then you just add a description, this. You need to add first name on your account, last name on your account, date of the birth on your account, Faceit account name, phone name, number attached to account if two-factor is active, photo identification. So this is what you need to do. So first name, last name, date of birth, Faceit account name, photo number, phone number, and photo identification. And then you just add a file here and you will delete it. And then you have like 30 days. In 30 days, they will, you have time to like reinstall or reapply for your account if you change your mind. But this is pretty much it how you do it. So again, let's go again. Recover your account. No longer have access to my email account. We click here only because we want to get to submit request. And right here, email address, contact reason, whatever, GDPR you need to, and personal data removal, Faceit account, and then subject is going to be deletion. And in description, you just first name on your account, last name, date of birth, Faceit. I'll also go zoom it for you. And that's pretty much it. So this is what you need to fulfill. Have a great day, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and goodbye. See ya.